everybody, Andy here, Why Not Farms. Tonight we're going to do a little cooking. And tonight we thought we would make a bacon Brie wrap, which is kind of like a mozzarella stick with a little bit of seasoning. We're going to do it right in the air fryer. Hope you enjoy. So we're just going to take our Brie or our mozzarella, and basically all we're going to do is take our bacon and we're going to wrap that over, and we're going to do a weave pattern. So we're going to alternate back and forth. And what we're trying to do is really to keep the Brie or keep the cheese on the inside. So we're kind of making a barrier, if you will. And you just keep doing that over, under, etc. as you go through. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that piece of bacon and kind of wrap it around the edges to kind of secure that piece. And if you want, you could be done right now, but I'm going to double loop it. And so I'm going to put another weave of bacon on this side as well. I really want to make sure that all that cheese does not come out during the cooking process. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to weave it back and forth. I'm not sure there is such a thing as too much bacon. At least I haven't found it yet. If you have, great job. I'm sure you enjoyed every single minute of it. I forgot my pattern here, but I think we're good. And then you're going to just take that, roll it over. Then you're going to take your air fryer, and in we go. Then you're going to take your seasoning. I grabbed everything but the bagel and a little adobe seasoning. And you're just going to sprinkle that on top for everybody to enjoy. Into the air fryer she will go. I start out about 380 and go from there. Oh yeah. Looking pretty good. Oh my goodness. Look at that deliciousness. Enjoy.